name's Martin Dawson and I'm on a YZ125.
My name's Nick Shaw and I'm riding a KTM SX300.
Greg Winspear and it's a Husky 250.
My name's David Cox and I'm riding a KTM SX150.
My name's Phil Jackson.
Ash Crossley.
Phil Graham.
Jack Colley, I had a CR250.
YZ125.
KX125.
Husky had a 125.
I love two-strokes. I've been racing for 30 years, and when I first started, it was all two-strokes, no four-strokes.
It's just nice to ride an old-school bike as well.
Just how light they are and how flickable they are in the corners.
You come off smiling when you've been on a two-stroke.
A bit more of a buzz than a 450.
So much fun to ride.
Everything, smell, sound.
Just remind me of my old days when I was younger. The nostalgia surrounding them, just love them.
I'm not really interested in racing the four-strokes, it's just 125s. 125 for me is the way forward.
Four-strokes, just don't do it for me.
I've owned a 4-stroke. A bit more of a buzz than a 450.
I've only ever ride two-strokes, that's all I'm ever going to ride.
Yeah, I've literally had one of the best days practicing of the year. It's been my first time on a 150 KTM and yeah, not stopped smiling all day.
Yeah, they were good. Mine was so good. I'd like to thank Jack Gratian for giving it to me, and I just took it easy on it, so I didn't rev it too much.
Yeah, me too. I'd like to shout out Paul, Dave's brother, for lending me the bike. Yeah, one careful owner for today. Just didn't get it off tick over, so no worries.
But it was, I think what made it so good, the track was so good today.
First time I've been here and it was so good. But yeah, the level of riders was good. We had a good variety, didn't we? We had some really good lads and some lads making some good improvements all day with the little tips. So yeah, it was nice to see.
Just changing people's lines a little bit, it makes such a difference. Even if you're just saving like a second the corner, massive in it, like on 20 corners.
My mate said, Rob said, he had some lads chatting behind him saying, "Oh, it made a massive difference. I reckon I was a couple of seconds a lap quicker after the few little tips." So maybe we've got a future career.
Yeah, we can do training schools after this. Yeah, the two-stroke festival last year was good. You know, I only came for the one race. There was a few races, but I only did the final round, and yeah, I had so much fun. Hopefully, we may be able to get there this year as well.
Yeah, obviously I didn't go last year, so this is like the first two-stroke day I've done. But
yeah, hopefully we can do another one of these in August. You know, the training school thing, because it was good today. I reckon. Do you?
Yeah, Dave's got one planned for in August, so we'll definitely try and make that. And
yeah, that one that I did last year was good. You know, we turned up, I think, on Saturday morning, and KTM just bought me a bike, and honestly it was like the music was pumping, and like there was good riders there. There was like Ando and Spinks and Jamie Law and that, they were all there, so it was a good turnout, and there was such good racing, like it was so good. 2-strokes are the way forward.
Yeah.
2-strokes are the future.
I think you can learn more on a 2-stroke, like, because they're like, you've got to work harder to keep your speed up.
Yeah, on that 150, if you came into a corner today and you were like in second gear instead of first, you'd come out going like, whoa.
Yeah, exactly. So
you had to be like down 2 gears into the corner every time. Yeah, kids now go from 85 to 250F right at 16.
Yeah, it's a massive step. I think it's too big.
Yeah, like definitely going on to a 125 or a 150, you learn so much more.
Yeah.
Because it's obviously a bigger bike and it's not as powerful.
Yeah.
As a 250, so I think it's better to do that and have like a series for the 2-strokes, the 125.
Yeah, definitely.
And then go on to the big 250Fs.
Because if they get a decent, strong class in the UK, then they can, the top boys can go and race the EMX 125 and show their faces in front of all the big teams in Europe.
Yeah, sure, and then that's it.
And at the end of the day, you're only that age one, so you might as well make the most of it and get on a 125 while you can, before you get big and too heavy for one.